morning everyone, this is Marilen from Marilen Styles, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate a Christmas tree. Decorating a Christmas tree can be a little intimidating because we see all the gorgeous Christmas trees on Pinterest and in the shopping malls, and it really kind of takes time for our tree to get that nice or that pretty. So I thought I'd show you some steps on how it's done.
With us!
So step number one, when decorating the Christmas tree, after you assemble the tree, you have to put all the lights. I like to use a minimum of at least 3 sets of lights, all connected together, but for maximum effect, you can use about 6 sets. Now how you do it is you wind it around the tree, starting from the top, going from the inside to the outside, going down. Step number 2 would be to add fillers into the tree, because you know when you assemble a tree, there are a lot of bald spots and there are a lot of places that need more leaves, so you need to add fillers.
Hi, I'm Santiago. You probably remember me from some of the previous videos. These are the fillers. We wanted to have a green, diamond, white, and silver Christmas tree. So we got one of each filler to show you. You need fillers because there are some bald spots in the trees. And as you know, Christmas is coming soon, so you better get ready by November something. Let's take it to the next level, guys. Dyson saturated rail. God! Look at that floor. Take it out.
Before you add the ornaments, you can put some ribbon, and the way to do it is to go from top to bottom, or you can actually make small bows and spread them around the tree.
Guys, we have to decorate the Christmas tree with ribbons. There it is.
Step number 3, you can start adding the ornaments.
Hi. Here's the 2 ornaments. We have more, not just 2, because it can't be a Christmas tree with only 2. Well, we're gonna put them on the Christmas tree. Like it's now almost complete without, but there's one thing missing: no ornaments. So now we're gonna put the ornaments on. The last step is to put the star on top. So here we go. I got the star in my hand. It's pretty and silver. I'd rather make it gold, but I love silver too. So let's go.
We're finally done decorating the Christmas tree, and the kids really enjoy that. So just to do a recap, step number 1, assemble your tree. Step number 2, add all the lights from top to bottom. Step number 3, add in all the fillers or extra leaves to cover all the bald spots of the tree. Step number 4, put in all your ornaments, or if you want to put the ribbon around the tree, you can do that from top to bottom. And step number 5 is to do all the touch-ups and to make sure that all the decor and the ornaments are spread around the tree evenly. Hope you like that, and hope to see you again on Marilen Styles. Don't forget to like and subscribe.